Good morning, dear students. Hope all of you are fine and doing well. Today we are going to learn about email writing. Email writing. Email stands for electronic mail. It is the easiest and the cheapest way of communication. It is used in formal, semi-formal as well as an informal way of expression or writing. Categories of email writing. Emails are of three types: semi-formal, formal, and informal email. Let us firstly see the email writing format. The email writing format is the same for each of the categories. That means it is same for all the three categories, though the choice of words and language differ depending upon the type of email. Let us see its steps of writing the email. First step is we have to write from, means who is writing this email. Okay. So here we have to write sender's email ID. The sender is the person who is writing the mail to, who is the receiver end. Means here we have to add to, we have to write the email ID of the receiver, recipient's email ID. Next step is write the date. Fourth step is write the subject, title or the reason of writing mail. Fifth step is salutation. Words like dear, respected, hi, etc. are used there. For example, when hi Susie, just like that. Yeah, or dear Seema, respected ma'am. These salutations should be used depending upon the type of email. Next step is the main body writing. In the main body, that means the main content of the mail. Firstly, we have to give a brief introduction, matter in detail, then conclude that. Next step is closing, ending statement. Just like that, thanking you, with regards, just like these words. Then last is the signature line. In signature line we have to write the sender's name, signature, other details or contact, we can add it. Now let us discuss each type of email writing format. As we already studied, there are three types of email writing. Let us have a look one by one. For sample of informal email writing format is here. An email written for any friends, family members or relatives comes under this category. Use of polite, friendly, casual words along with proper greetings, closings are some of the rules of the informal emails. Here we have the sample. Suppose you have to write an email to your friend inviting him or her to your birthday party. For example, your name is Josiah and your friend's name is Sirat. So we will write here Josiah's, just like that, Josiah's email address. Okay, Josiah is writing to her friend. To Sirat is the receiver. here we have to given the Seerat's email Gmail account address, that means mail address, seerat123@gmail.com. Then date, then subject is our invitation to a birthday party. We will write it, invitation to a birthday party. Then salutation, hi Seerat. Then we will write the main body. Hope this mail finds you in the best of your time. I am very happy to invite you to my birthday party on July 24 at Paradise Hotel from 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. The theme of the birthday party is Pirate of the Caribbean. It would be great if you come and join us at the party. We will have a great time and fun together. Then, see you soon. Sender's name, Josiah. Here you will see in this sample spacing. We have to keep in mind where we have to space. There is no space in these three lines. First three lines you can see no space from to date. Then we have to leave the space. Then write the subject. After subject we have to leave space again. Salutation, then leave space again. Then we have to main body. Main body concluded. Then we have the closing, see you soon. Here you can see, here is spacing after the main body. There is spacing between closing and the main body. Then senders, no space there. Below closing we have to write the sender's name. Okay, let us take the second type. A sample of semi-formal email writing format. An email written for any teammates or colleagues is the semi-formal. One can use friendly language but have to maintain the limit and the decency. The length, proper greetings and closings and clarity are some of the rules of the semi-formal emails. Here we have a sample. Writing a letter to inform your classmates regarding intra-school quiz competition. For example, you are for him and you have to write your classmates, means your 9th standard classmates, inform them about intra-school quiz competition. You will send the mail. For example, from fahim123@gmail to bhsz9@gmail.com, means it is a 9th standard's mail account. Date, then space, subject, intra-school quiz competition, space, then again salutation, hello everyone. Then we have the main body. This is to inform you guys that an intra-school quiz competition is going to be held in our school on July 26 from 11:30 a.m. in Hall 1. Everyone is therefore asked to take part in the competition so that our class can win. For further queries, feel free to contact me. Then we leave the space. Here we leave the space. Then closing, thanks. Sender's name, Fahim, class representative. Let us have a look at the third type. Sample of formal email writing. Formal means for business, communication or professional emails come under this category. The email written for any government department, school, authority, company, or any officers, or the formal emails, use of polite, formal words. The reason of for writing mail, clarity, proper greeting, and closing are some of the rules of the formal email. Here we have a sample of formal writing mail for resignation. For example, Samina is working in KBC company. She wants to resign from the company. She would just like that write from Samina123 at the gmail.com to company's email ID 456 at the rate of gmail.com. Date 23rd, for example, you can mention date when you write. Leave the space. Subject resignation letter. Leave again space. Dear sir, salutation. Space. Please accept. Then we write the main body. We write the main body just like that. Please accept this mail as a notice that I am leaving my position with this organization. As per the norm of the company, I have to give a month notice before resigning. I hope you will get a good replacement for me within this time period. I really appreciate the opportunities that have been given to me to help me grow. Wish you and the company the best in the future. Please let me know what to expect as for my final work schedule and the employee benefits. Please let me know in case of any assistance for the above. Kindly look into the matter. You will see here again. We'll leave the space. Thanks and regards. Samina, project head. Okay, dear. Allah Hafiz. Thank you all for watching this video.